We got an M series. I'm gonna say a 4. I think it's a 4. I don't know, couldn't care less what kind of M it is. But, well, once again, we'll look at the bright side that, yeah, it's all wet and stuff, but it's good because, you know, wildfires are happening in Mexico, so it's good for that. Firefighters are risking their lives, so it's good for that. We'll look at the goddamn positive, because we ain't people that look at negativos. Yeah. Now you move up ahead. I'm not moving up ahead. F me in the club. F me if you would like, but I'm not gonna move up ahead. I gotta stop saying such bad stuff. Okay, F. Ah! I'm spreading love! All I'm getting is hate! What the hell, man? Ooh, shorty. No, but she got a kid in the car. What the hell are we supposed to do about that, huh? And not to bash on anybody with kids, but like, what am I as a human being of love supposed to do with that? Huh? With a kid. What am I supposed to do with that? Huh? Okay, it's clearing up. It's clearing up. Again? Stop swapping lanes like this, dudes. Cyclists, seriously? You're gonna do that instead of letting cars go? When you could be a freaking fatal accident, you wanna let cars, cyclists... Oh my god, ass people. You guys are ass people. You guys have the right of way? It's cars on a freaking street, on a road. Cars first. I want to slap that douchebag who was pointing his hand like that. I want to just slap him. Who you is, dog? Slap the freaking something at him. I'm just thinking of bad stuff right now. That's the only thing I'm doing. And there's a policía who sits up there every single day, night, just has no other life but to sit there. There's one spot which I love to cut up in. He sits right there, and I can't do my cutting up on Nimbus. But you guys left a fat gap. I'ma take it. All right, I'ma take this fat gap because it's mine. Fat gap is mine. Saw that the wheel was about to come up. Saw that? I gave it a little too much gas and the wheel kind of came up. I felt like got kind of late. But we got a La Policia who will always be streaming up in the club right over here somewhere. We got to be careful about that because I can't see anything from this goddamn visor being all wetted up. Funny thing is, the visor, all the bubbles or all the water droplets are in the area of where my eyes are. But if I move it down, it's all clear. But where I look at the world from, the area of my rectal rods and cones of my eyeballs, it's all just effed up from there. Yeah, God, the least you could do is, you know, boil the stuff off my face, my visor with the sun. Heat it up. 550. Heat it up. 200. I want to act a fool so bad. I can't tell you how badly I want to act a fool. See, I have a great joke, and I'm gonna say it because it's gonna make me laugh. But it is so messed up, and with the stuff happening in this world, or actually, it's not related to the stuff happening in this world, but it's stuff that some people have done in this world in the past. But I feel like people are too, alright girl, just nod it to her, just nod back, smile back, wave back, be nice. Yeah, I'm a stranger, but it's not gonna snatch you from your car, dog. But yeah, the joke is just, I feel like it's too much. I know a lot of stuff I say is too much, but this is too much, so we won't say it. Actually, I'm gonna say it right now. I'm just edit this part out. So, 3, 2, 1. That was funny. I like that one, but you guys will never hear it. I'll spread my mouth's legs and I'll tell you guys everything. Okay, so coastal area is something we gotta dodge because Thermopolis. Yeah, I don't trust you, homie. Alright, I think I've kind of gotten used to the butt plugs in my ears, earplugs in my butt. But I think I've kind of gotten used to it. The visor's clearing up. We're kind of feeling better. I kind of feel like a runny nose. This guy, you do not know how to drive. I can tell you that much. My runny nose because of allergies, because I guess early in the morning with all this fogginess and stuff. Feeling a little funky over there. My beard all of a sudden, since I'm growing it out again, it's really, it's poking me right now. I'm at that stage where it pokes you. And I keep hearing sirens. But it's not really sirens, it's just this weird ringing in my ear. Which, I don't really think it's a ringing in my ear, I just wanted to say that. But I do hear sirens, which, this place, by the way, this area right here, super high crime rate. Super super high. But it's at late at night, not during the day. Well, some stuff during the day, but mostly late at night. Because, you know, chicks, bikinis, boys, shirtless, a lot of stuff be going down here. And since it's going to be scorching hot today, so the sun's going to come out, and it's going to be scorching hot later in the day, you can expect a lot of people out and about to the beach later in the day. But I don't want to get roasted by the sun, so I said F it. And they have that McLaren from Instagram inside their shop. There's this McLaren from Instagram that but it has a custom wrap on it, white and black. Looks like a Sharpie abstract kind of wrap. Looks ugly as hell, but they have it. It's pretty famous. It's in their shop in case anybody wants to see it. I just have a really runny nose, and I feel like it's not helping because of the weather. So we're gonna let this guy go because he's a douchebag, and I feel like he's gonna cut anyways. Are you gonna cut, sir? Just go if you're gonna cut. All right then. Thank you. But yeah, so like I have a runny. What else is that? Porsche, Aventador. But we're not going that way. F that. I'm gonna stay in the sunny. Sorry about that. But yeah, we're gonna stay in the sunny area. Sunny areas is really. But we're gonna stay in the sunny areas instead of going to the wet areas, because you guys know I hate that stuff. Because your boy does not ride in the rain. Not that I don't trust my vehicles, my babes, my hoes. I just don't want to put myself in that position. King Queen's hashtag. If it wasn't raining back there, then yeah, we would have went back for the orange Aventador, because that's super easy to catch up to in that much traffic. But we don't want to put ourselves through that again. Do you guys want to hear me clown and bitch again about being wet up in the rain? No, you don't want to hear that. And I think it will take a lot longer for the sun to clear up everything. Hopefully we are super clear again on the camera lens. Luckily we don't have to stop again. Yeah, the lens looks clear. It might be a little stained, but F it, I really don't give a damn. I just want to ride. I really just want to ride. I just really want to pop my ears. That feeling of popping my ears is super high right now, the urge to do it. But I can't, because butt plugs in my ears. It is what it is. And we ain't gonna hate on them. Ferrari. Hatchback. We need Nimbus to kick it up and experience some high velocity and momentum, because I want to see how it feels when I'm going, when Nimbus is going much faster. I want to see how it feels then. Are we still going to short shift, or are we not? It smells like pasta and cardboard mixed together and then put into a candle. That's what it smells like. That's what it smells like. And a little ass, not a little bit, just a little ass. Throw a little ass in there. That's kind of what it. That's kind of what it smells like. Sir, I need to switch lanes. If you go a little bit quicker to the pony on the left, and he will not. And I hate you, because these two lanes will merge. I can tell from the sun it is getting really hot, because the sun is shining in my face right now, and it is getting hot. So again, I wanted to mention to you this short piece of information is that it's going to be really hot today. That's why I came out early, because I still wanted to ride. I was going to be like, either I don't ride, because I like riding in the noonish time, because that's when everybody's usually out. Not in the afternoon time, because then the look of the footage doesn't come out that good, and there's a Ferrari up there, and the one that we like is up there. All right, perfect. But yeah, so I wanted to ride in the I like riding in the noonish time, so like, you know, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, that range is perfect. Anything after that I don't like, because it's a lot of traffic and there's just a lot of people out, and it's just not as fun. And I feel like supercars usually have ooh, that is messed up. Supercars usually have their meetups and stuff during the day. In the morning, that's when all the meetups usually happen. Very few unofficial meetups happen in the afternoonish time, but in the morning is more fun, because that's where people want to do stuff. There it is, Ferrari. But yeah, we had to come out early today, because it's supposed to get like in the 90s, 100s today, during the time I want to ride. So ain't nobody got time for that, dog. They don't got time for that. They old as hell. They certainly don't have time for that. So because of that, we is coming out earlier. Ride a GT3. That was a GT3. Don't worry, we're sticking with the Ferrari. Otherwise I would have just swapped lanes. Is he turning? Yeah, buddy. Alright, that's cool. He probably lives there. Or he's going to the beach. There's no meetup over there. Life Alert meetup going down right there. Life alert meetup. Alright, Ferrari's gone. It's whatever. Kinda wanted to see it. We got this yellow douchebag. Call him Sunshine. Orange idiot. I don't know. What are you looking at his tire for? What's in his tire that's gonna bring any quality of life to your life? Any quality to your life. So you got blue homie, orange, gray, white homie. We got Chica running. Hey, why put a jacket around your waist, alright? We got yellow dog. Sunshine. That dude's staring at ass. I saw you. Now he's touching himself. Gross. It is getting hot. I can feel the sun. I don't get it. Why is it so hot? Is the sun closer to us? Is that why it's getting hotter? How does temperature work? The sun is right up in my eyes and it is burning me alive. Is this what it feels like to get burned alive? Why do I say stuff like that? That is messed up. You shouldn't say stuff like that. Or don't say stuff like that. Don't say things like burned alive. That is messed up. Oh my god, is it getting hot? It's getting hot, and usually when you're hot, you don't want to be claustrophobic. When you're hot, you want to be open and stuff. You want to wear less clothes. You don't wear more clothes when it's hot. You wear less clothes so you feel open, nice, and ventilated. With me, we already got a helmet on. We got all this gear on for protection, and we got butt plugs in my ear, which makes me feel even more like, not claustrophobic, but it makes you feel weird, man. Sorry, a lot of spit accumulation. What are you gonna do, dog? I'm scared of you. What are you gonna do, dog? Make a left, please. Thank you. But yeah, a lot of spit accumulation going on right now because of me talking a lot. Okay, nobody wants to wave to me today? Okay then, old dude. I'm gonna take out my anger on old people. You see back there, 2 cars blocking everyone up. We're riding the coast like a bitch. The dude's picking his, never mind, he's not picking his nose. Would have been funny if he was picking his nose while riding a bicycle. Alright, this is what I wanted, alright? You guys saw previously that we were stuck in the goddamn rain. This is what I wanted. This is what I want. Nice and sunny, but I want the clouds to be blocking the sun because it's getting hot. Why is it? Oh, it's funny. If I actually see the sun in my eye. Okay, what are you? He slowed down to check out the girl. Okay. That is what you call a pervert, okay? That is a pervert. That is not an adorer of females. This is what a female adorer looks like. Not that.